Alright, wait.
Hold on, baby.
Callie? Alright, go ahead.
Oh, come on.
Daddy, you don't want to get off the concrete in case you
What do
fall
you have in
down.
your back pocket?
Huh? Turn around so I can see your
Something in your
butt.
back pocket.
I don't know, we might want to find out first.
Don't. You got keys.
Okay, come on.
It ain't gonna go to them.
You're going to do it to yourself. Turn around.
It is. Daddy washing shit.
It's not hurt.
Yeah.
Do it. I believe you're going to do it. Alright. Wait.
Don't answer that goddamn
Do it to her. I'll call you right back.
Come on, hurry up. This thing's got limited battery.
Hey, no, wait. God dang it, Megan. Hurry up.
She's gonna lose her nerve, man.
I'm sorry. Do it.
Turn around so we can get the full Monty.
Everybody else has video. We can email it to Megan.
Have those looking like.
Hurry up.
Go ahead.
Don't hold it.
Hold on.
Take a deep breath and do it. Like nothing in the hole.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. It is, listen to me. It is gonna jar you a little bit. It is gonna go, but it's like it's taking a 9-volt battery, sticking it 2 times, only about 8 times worse.
Come on.
Get you up that bad.
Go. Just move your hands.
It's like a dog
I'm
collar.
not doing it.
Oh, come on.
No, let me do it to you.
No, I
Look,
want that.
hold it like this and go
And back
like that. Don't hold it on there and then hit the button. Hey, here's an idea. Just close your eyes, click the button, take a deep breath, then just give yourself a quick poke.
that I used to know.
Not real.
Do it.
She's got an older, she's got
I'm going a little far.
That's going a little far with it.
It's just everybody come out worse.
I think it's just the sound.
I don't want this
You
like
think
no
I
hurt,
care?
but it's
Come on. Let's go.
Well, then here.
I know, so I know they hurt. I've done.
You're going to let
beat
Chase do it to you?
No, I was going to let Chase do it to himself.
Chase, can I do it to you?
He's wearing jeans.
I told you, get me these
And
big
to be
cushions,
honest
Chase.
with you, Callie, I don't think it's gonna go through the pants.
Just do it.
It's going to go through the pants.
Yeah,
don't
it's
think
gonna
so.
go.
I don't think it is. I really don't.
Yeah, because what do you think? Do it on your safety.
I don't think it's gonna go through the pants.
do it on the
That's why if you can do it, you can do it on a fatty area.
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna
Like
go
your
through the
head.
pants. It ain't gonna go through the pants. I'm telling you.
All right, you ready?
Go
1,
through the pants.
2, 3.
I can do it.
That one was right there by the butt cheek girl. It was right there.
There's almost.
It ain't gonna go through the pants, Callie. I'm telling you, it ain't. It ain't.
I mean,
It ain't gonna go
I think
through the
you're
pants.
gonna have to like hold it.
No,
Well, yeah, you are. So do it.
it ain't gonna go through the pants.
Just stick it on your butt and then press a button.
Yeah, it ain't gonna go through the pants.
I love how everybody else is telling you how to do something stupid.
Do you want me to do it to you? I won't hold it to you. I promise I won't hold it to you. Come on.
I don't think it's gonna go
Let
through
me
the pants.
trust Laney.
I won't hold it to you. I swear to God.
Chase, you want to hurry up before they call the cops on us.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm not doing it.
Your arm is hairy.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, right, you can use the prop.
Yeah.
Here's a little gadget that.
All right, Chase, since we're all out here, we got the child right now.
Yeah, he went got.
Callie, I swear I won't hold it to you. How about this? Hand it to me and I'll sneak up on somebody. Just let's play a game. You be the cow and I'll have the cattle prod.
Would it help if we blindfolded you? Then you wouldn't.
Instead of cowboys,
You wouldn't know what's coming.
here. Instead of cowboys and engines,
I don't
it's cows
think
and
that it's
engines.
gonna hurt worse than labor pains, but still, it's a matter of. That way, I had to go through it. This I don't have to do anything.
Callie, come on.
You guys are always trying to
You want to come get a cop and then he can do it to you? That way, you know, I mean,
Go get.
right? Let's do the dog.
Hey, Mom. Call Mr.
I'm
Steve.
gonna hold it to you. They ain't just gonna put it on the board.
Okay. All right, then.
Mom, call Mr. Steve and he can come taser. I think it's more than noises what's scary.
Well then, why don't one of y'all prove it?
I don't have jeans on. And I'm not that dumb, but you do crazy shit like that. And just think of the wonderful story we'd have to talk about for the rest of our lives about the time that Callie let us taser butt cheeks.
Easter Sunday.
On Easter Sunday.
That was cool.
Easter Sunday, 2011, where were you? I was in my yard taking Callie's Easter.
We tasered Callie.
We went out in the front yard and watched my sister tase herself.
The baby won't go through your pants, let her tase you through your wallet and all. See if it won't hit you.
Yeah, Greg, you talking all big.
Got change in there, it's right.
I don't think it wakes up to the wallet. I can tell you this, if anything like a chopping collar on top, it hurts, but it's going that quick.
Well, I'm sure.
I don't think
Then come on, somebody do it.
I just want to do somebody's neck.
Oh, God, no.
Right between the eyes. That's where I want to get somebody.
No, because you know, like, your muscles in your neck are really sensitive, and when they be like...
You look like the Incredible Hulk.
Hey,
You're looking like you have a seizure.
ask Laney if Mimi will let us stay ready. She'll tell us Mimi.
Sleep good tonight.
Greg, that's awful. That's just awful. Hey, Mom. Mom. Take out that packet of cigarettes from your pocket and let him taste that. You got plenty more packs at home.
It might be raining. Rain morning. She said it's more noise than anything. Hey.
So nobody's getting tased? What?
2 days later, there's another egg.
Are you coming in?
Think about the headache.